Hello friends, one of the reasons why the car does not start well is the fuel pressure regulator. It needs if excess pressure is created in the fuel rail. Gasoline flows back into the tank. A constant pressure of 4-5 bar was maintained in the rail. If the fuel pressure regulator malfunctions, the pressure in the fuel rail decreases. Since the valve does not hold pressure and gasoline is partly drained, and the weight may also drain. Therefore, when starting the engine, while the pump pumps gasoline into the fuel rail, while the appropriate pressure is created there, it takes time. Because of what the car starts a little longer, and it seems to us that the car is not in order. This fuel pressure regulator is to blame. That's all guys, subscribe to our channel, put like, and don't forget to put a bell so as not miss new video on the channel.